Using your property as a rental property or renting it out through Airbnb, here's a great way to utilize your Alfred Smart Lock to share digital credentials without actually giving a physical key or PIN code to a renter. Open up your smart home app, select share, assign a member. We're going to use the renter one. We're going to change it from family to guest. So this will allow them only to lock and unlock, and they won't be able to change any other settings. We're going to change the always to reoccurring or temporary. We're going to select temporary, and we're going to select which days that they're going to be. So today between 2 o'clock, and we'll say they're leaving on Monday at 2 o'clock, and we're going to hit OK. This is going to allow you to send a digital Bluetooth key to this renter that only works during those times. Once that time expires, this renter will no longer be able to lock or unlock your door using their Alfred Home app, giving you, the homeowner and the owner of the property, full control of access of your rental property.